Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be solving the function part of the Starkling challenge. So the first task is make me compile. We're supposed to make this function compile. So this is the entry function, the entry point of the program, the function main, and then it takes in a call me function. But right here, I can't see any call me function. So what we're supposed to do is to um, write in a function, a call me function. Let's do just that. Call me, right? Call me, and it's not supposed to return anything, right? Call me. So say I think it should be able to work even without any logic inside. Yeah, it does. It does. But we can just put in like a um okay, there's no variable, so no need to even use this. No need. So let's move to the next question. So the second task says make me compile, right? Okay, so right now we have this was exactly what I wanted to do, but it's nice that we have it right here. So we have the main function. It calls the call me function, taking in a value of 3, right? Call me. So we're supposed to make this compile, right? So one thing I've already seen the issue with this function. So this call me, it takes in a norm, right? The variable is norm. But if you notice, the type of the variable is not there. So let's use u. It works. It should work just fine. So yeah, it's compiled. So normally when you're dealing with functions, as Cairo is a statically typed language. It's just like you when you're declaring your variables, right? It should be along with the data type. It's data type, right? Okay, so let's move to the next challenge. It says make me compile. So we have the call me function again, which takes in u64 bit size, right? And we are supposed to make this compile. It prints the number. So the main function calls the call me function, but it's supposed to pass in, we're supposed to pass in an argument. There's a parameter coming in right here. So calling this function, this will fail because it's not passing in the argument that it's meant to pass in, right? So let's pass in a value. So we can pass in 18 or 180. U64 is very large, so that would work. So let's compile. It works just fine. So let's move to the next challenge. Okay, so functions 4 says this store is having a sale where if the price is an even number, you get 10 Cairo bucks off. But if it's an odd number, you get $3 off. It's not so much if it's a number. Don't worry about the function bodies themselves. We are only interested in the signatures for now. If anything, this is a way to pick ahead to future exercises, right? So we have the functions, we have the main function, and then we have the sale price function, and then we have a function is even that checks if a number is even or not. I Yes, yes, that should be it. Okay, so let me enlarge it so we can see properly. So the main function, let original price equals to 51. So okay, we're not interested in the function bodies. So we're just interested in the signature. So what this is, let's see. Okay. So we have if is even, mm, sale price takes in price U32, right? And if is even price minus 10, else price minus 3. So if is even if is even is a function. When you pass in the number, it checks if it's even or not. Okay, so we have no business with this. The price that it's passing from this original is 51. So 51 minus 10, it checks, else 51 minus 3. So what does this want us to do? Okay, so I think we haven't changed anything. Well, yeah. Okay. 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 So um right here, this sale price function is supposed to return a value. If you see at the end of the day, price minus 10, price minus 5 is supposed to return a value to us. Even in this main function, it takes in 51, the price, right? And once it takes in 51 from here, it's supposed to return a value, either is in the if block or in the else block. So what we are just meant to do is to put the return data type, and should be same with the parameter or data type. Okay, so let's check this out. This should work. This should work. Yeah. So the code compiles perfectly. Thank you for watching. In the next video, okay, let's just do this quiz. Right. Let's just participate in this quiz. Okay, Mary is buying apples. The price of an apple is calculated as follows. An apple costs 3 bucks. If Mary buys more than 40 apples, each Cairo box only costs 2 Cairo bucks. So if she's buying lesser, that means she's going to buy at 3 Cairo bucks each, right? But if she's buying more than 40, we are going to she's going to be buying at the rate of 2 Cairo bucks. Write a function that calculates the price of an order of apples given the quantity, but no int this time. Okay. So calculate price of apple. If Mary is buying, we are still going to be using the if else statement. So if Mary is buying an apple each. An apple costs 3 bucks, right? But if she's buying more than 40, it's going to cost 2 Cairo bucks each. So what we are meant to do first, we're supposed to have like a parameter coming in right here. So let's say number of item, can call it number of item. Um, let's use, you can still use U8 or whatever. Let's just use U16, right? Let's use U16, and are we returning? Are we returning? We should return. So let's come to the function body first. So say if num the item number is greater than 40, it should calculate it like this. It should multiply 2 times the number of item, right? So times 2, mm, times 2, else is going to multiply it by 3, else multiply by 3, else num, oh no, I'm not supposed to have the semicolon at the back. That's when I'm using the return keyword that I can use the semicolon. So else, okay, suppose we are supposed to return the U16. So this is it. This is it. This is it. So we can test this. Let's test this. So let's say calculate price of apple. If 35 is coming in, right? 35 is coming in. 35 is not greater than 40. So it's coming to this, it's coming here. It's going to do 35 times 3. So she's going to pay that amount, 35 times 3. So it will return the amount of the cost that she's going to pay. So 40 is not greater either. 41 is greater. So it's just going to do 41 times 2 and then return um, the course that she's supposed to. So this should work just fine. Yeah, we just solve the quiz. Yeah, the first quiz in the Starkling challenge. So thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to explore loops in the Starkling.